I'm going to make a low-calorie food today. This dish has low carbohydrate as well, so it'll be helpful to dieters. Prepare eggplant, onion, bell peppers, loin, and oyster sauce. Shred all food except eggplant. It'll be good if I can show you nice cutting. Unluckily, I'm not good at cutting. This is my best cutting. Try to cut the eggplant sideways, not too thick and not too thin. Sprinkle pepper on the cut loin. Now, grill the eggplant without oil first. It will taste bad if you don't cook them well. After that, pour oil and stir the loin first. When the meat is cooked, add the other food and stir together. It's time to put in the oyster sauce. Two spoonsful will be enough. Mix them well. It's already finished. Isn't it so simple? I sprinkle sesame to the dish a little. Now, bring the onion, bell pepper, and meat on the grilled eggplant like this. It could eat them wrapped in eggplant if the eggplant is big enough. My eggplant is kind of small, but taste is good. Easy peasy dish. Try it in your kitchen now.